everybody, it's Deb from D&D Art Gallery. Hope you're all doing well today. Today I have a 12 by 12 canvas that I've prepared on the back with tape and push pins. And I'm going to do a Dutch pour. I had done one in an earlier video, but this one I'm going to do a little bit different, that I'm going to put paint all the way across the canvas and blow it out, and I may have some negative space, we'll just have to see. And I'm first of all going to put down a coat of white paint to help the paint move a little easier. And I'm using the OXO omelet turning spatula. That works wonderful to spread your base coat out. And this is just the Flow Acrylic, Artist Loft Flow Acrylic white I'm using here. All my paints today are 50% paint, 50% Floetrol, and I also add some GAC, a squirt of GAC to each one of them. And I covered my sides here too. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, the paint I'm using today is, I have silver from Reeves. I have Liquitex Basics Alzarin Crimson Hue. I have Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. I have Navy Blue that I made up a while ago. And last I have Metallic Leaf Green by Artist Loft. So let's get started. And what I think I'll do is, since the silver is the only one I have in a squirt bottle today, I'm just going to lay my pattern down with that one. And then I'm going to follow it with the other colors. This is the Crimson Hue. I did not add silicone to any of my colors today. Cobalt Blue. This is the Navy, very pretty color. And I'm going to add some green just here and there. I think I'm going to add a little bit more of this crimson color here. I love this color. Let a little more of it come out. Okay, and what I'm going to do is add some white around this. And I'm going to use my blow dryer to blow the paint up over, the white paint up over the colored paint on the cool setting. And now I'm going to try and blow it out with my blow dryer and see how it goes. If it's too much, I may switch to a smaller dryer, but we'll give this a go first. Okay, I think I'm going to add a little bit more color in here and then try re-blowing it a little bit. I like to have more color than just the white there. See if I can achieve that goal. I'm going to mouth blow this a little bit, see what I can get out of it. I'm much more happy with this side, the composition, than I am that side, and maybe it is because I added the extra paint. So I'm going to try and add a little bit of extra paint on the other side now and see what I get. Try blowing that also. again on the cool setting. Okay, I'm gonna mouth float a little bit more here. Okay, pretty happy with that. I do have some negative space, and that's fine. What do you think? Very colorful. And I think I will give it a little torch here. And I'm going to give it a little bit more blow here, just a little bit. Yep, I'm pretty happy with this. I love the wispy right in this area and the flow of it up in this area. This area is so very vibrant and colorful also. So I'll get you down for a close-up. You can let me know what you think. Okay, this is the lower left corner here, the negative space. And then upper left corner. Just beautiful, beautiful crimson in there. A few little cells popped up. That's what I like, is that wispy. And right in here. It's very pretty. Okay, that would be the upper right-hand corner. right there. That I think is really beautiful right there. The wispy right there. Beautiful. A few little cells there in the green and up here in the blue. Lower right hand corner. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Ring the bell to be notified the next time that I post a new video. And until the next time, take care everybody. Bye.